Good morning, dear children. Dear children, we are revising chapter number 2, the language of map. Yesterday we have discussed about what is a map, what are the advantages and disadvantages of map, and what are the types of map. Today we are going to discuss about the languages of map. Now, what are the languages of map and why they are important? Languages of map are important to be understood so that we can study the map in detail. We need to know the languages of map so that we can study or read the details which are given on the map, or we can study the details or information which is given on map. So, we need to know the languages of map to study the information given on map. Basically, there are 4 languages of map: directions, conventional symbols, scale of a map, and colors. These are 4 languages of map. Now let's discuss about them one by one. The first one is direction. Now, dear students, there are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. To study a map, we need to know the directions. And the 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. Towards my head is north direction, towards my feet is south direction, towards my right is east direction, and towards my left is the west direction. A map always shows the north direction, which is marked as N. North direction is always marked on the map as N. And once we know the north direction, it is easy for us to locate the other directions. As I have told you that if we are facing the map, then my head will be north, towards my feet will be south direction, towards my right is the east direction, and towards my left is the west direction. The sun also helps us in finding the direction, as if we stand at 12 o'clock in the sunlight, our shadow always points towards the north. And if we know the north direction, then it is easy for us to find the other directions. Likewise, there are 4 sub-directions. As we can see in the diagram also, these are the 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. We can see the sub-directions also. Now, what is a sub-direction? Sub-direction is a halfway between the 2 directions, is a midway between the 2 directions. You can see in the diagram also that sub-direction is a halfway or a midway between the 2 directions. Between north and west is northwest. Between south and west is southwest. Between north and east is northeast. And between south and east is southeast. So there are 4 directions and 4 sub-directions. This is the first language of map. To study any map, we need to know the directions.